Gunpla 40th Anniversary. Freedom from shackles has now led to the ultimate form of evolution, connecting the present day to the future of Gunpla. Perfect Grade Unleashed, RX-78 Gundam. The Gunpla Evolution Project has taken on challenges in each grade to create technological revolutions, a culmination of evolution, a step-by-step assembly to experience evolution in each phase. Multiple forms of evolution overlap and link together, incorporating the Gunpla Evolution Link system. The largest insert molded frame in Gunpla history has been adopted. This enables the speediest assembly of the entire internal frame in PG history. The frame functions as a core for interlocking mechanisms throughout the body. The highest number of articulation points in a Gunpla. Natural and dynamic poses can be enjoyed. The dense multi-layer structure was developed through an intense examination of the settings. Plating and metallic parts have been adopted for the truss frames. The detailed mechanics are expressed through a dense design. Various materials have been used throughout the body. Metal parts, secondary processed parts of plating, newly developed etching stickers, and metallic 3D stickers. These materials allow for the item to be assembled with a high degree of completion. Expressions enabled through the latest technology. The new full-color LED unit enables 4 types of light-up effects. The beam saber has light-up functions. Hatch opening gimmicks have been incorporated throughout the body. Even more realistic effects can be achieved. Various forms of evolution link together to lead to the ultimate culmination. Perfect Grade Unleashed, RX-78 Gundam. Releasing at general retail stores in December 2020. Get the ultimate building experience.